Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how to use activity monitor on Mac. By the end of this video you will be able to find hidden apps, slowing down your Mac, free up memory and even fix performance issues in seconds. Let's get started. First, let's know about Activity Monitor. Activity Monitor is like a task manager for your Mac. It shows everything happening in the background: apps, processors, CPU usage, memory, energy consumption, and more. Think of it as a control center where you can monitor and manage your Mac performance. Now let's know how to open Activity Monitor. Just press Command plus space bar, and you can see here Spotlight search and search for Activity Monitor and press enter. Now you can see here the Activity Monitor is open on my screen. You can also open this Activity Monitor from your launchpad. Open your launchpad and click on others, and you can see here Activity Monitor. Once you open Activity Monitor, you will see different tabs at the top: CPU, memory, energy, disk and network. Let's come to first CPU tab. What it do? This shows how much processing power each app is using. If your Mac is slow, check this tab. Look for apps using high CPU percentage. Those are usually the problems. Next, the memory tab. Let's come to memory tab. This shows your RAM usage. Focus on the memory pressure graph. Okay. Green means it's good, as you can see here. If it is yellow, it means it is moderate. And if it is red means your Mac is struggling. If it is red, you have to close the apps, some apps which are not necessary. Okay, let's come to third, energy tab. This shows which apps are draining your battery. Very useful for Mac users. Close apps using too much energy to save power. As you can see here, the graph and the battery. And let's come to the disk tab. What it do? Shows how apps are reading, writing data to your storage. If your system feels laggy, heavy disk usage might be the reason. You can see here how apps are reading and writing data on your storage. As you can see here, the graph as well. It is red, it means it is struggling. Now let's come to network, last tab. Shows internet usage by apps. Helpful if your internet feels slow. You can detect apps using too much data. You can see here the apps which uses the internet. And if an app freezes or slows down your Mac, select the app in activity. Okay, then click on cross button on the top. You can see here. Just click on this button and it will quit. Only close apps you recognize. Don't mess with system processes. Okay, unless you know what you are doing. So that's how you can use Activity Monitor on your Mac to monitor performance, fix slowdowns and stay in control. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and check out more Mac tips on this channel. Thank you for watching.